Thinking about buying an air fryer? Before you spend $200 or more, watch this, because the truth is, you don't need an expensive air fryer to get crispy, great results. In this video, you'll learn the biggest buying mistakes, and we've also picked some of the best air fryers under $150 that are actually worth it. Welcome to the channel. We help you buy smarter, not just spend more. So please do subscribe to us. Let's start with where most people go wrong. Mistake number 1, thinking higher price means better cooking. This is the biggest myth. Most air fryers use the same basic technology, hot air circulation. So paying more doesn't always mean better food. It usually means more features, not better results. Mistake number 2, ignoring what actually affects performance. People focus on brands and look, but what really matters is enough power, good airflow, stable temperature. These are the things that make food crispy. Mistake number 3, choosing the wrong size. Too small and you'll cook in batches. Too big and it wastes space. The right size depends on how many people you cook for daily. Mistake number 4, overpaying for features you won't use. Touchscreens, apps, smart modes. Sounds impressive, but most people just use time and temperature. So here's the key idea. You don't need a premium air fryer to get great everyday results. You just need one that gets the basics right. Based on that, we've selected 5 best air fryers under $150 that stand out for value. Check the links in the description to find the right one without the guesswork. Number 5, best budget air fryer with window. Kicking off the list, the NutriChef 5.8 QT is a budget air fryer for beginners with a clear viewing design. It features 5.8 QT capacity, 1,200 watts power, and a transparent cooking bowl. You get 8 preset modes for shrimp, steak, fries, wings, and more. The LED touchscreen and window let you monitor food easily. Cleanup is simple with a non-stick, dishwasher-safe tray, plus auto shut-off safety. Customers find this air fryer to be of great quality and appreciate its performance, with one noting it works well for various meals. Small downside? The glass basket can feel heavy. Best for small families wanting the best affordable air fryer. Check the links below for pricing and availability. Number 4, best compact high-performance air fryer. Up next, the Cosori TurboBlaze is a compact air fryer for fast cooking with upgraded performance. It features 6 QT capacity, PFAS-free ceramic coating, and a wide 90 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit range. Unlike number 5, this one delivers more powerful airflow for crispier results. The TurboBlaze tech with 3,600 revolutions per minute fan and 5 fan speeds ensures even cooking. The ceramic-coated basket is durable, non-stick, and dishwasher-safe for easy cleanup. It runs quieter at under 53 dB. Customers find this air fryer to be a high-quality kitchen appliance that's easy to use and clean. Small downside? Smaller capacity than larger model. Best for singles or small families wanting the best air fryer for quick meals. For the latest pricing, visit the links in the description. Number 3, best mid-range air fryer. The Instant Pot Vortex Plus is a popular air fryer for quick meals with balanced performance. It features 6 QT capacity, 1,700 watts power, and a stainless steel build. You get 6-in-1 functions including air fry, bake, roast, and more. The Even Crisp technology delivers crispy results with up to 95% less oil. Cleanup is simple with a dishwasher-safe non-stick basket. Customers find this air fryer to be an excellent appliance that cooks food evenly and quickly, cutting cooking time in half. Small downside? Some users report an unpleasant smell. Best for small families wanting the best air fryer for everyday use. Check the links below for pricing and availability. Number 2, best air fryer with French door. Now things get interesting with the Gourmet French door air fryer, a large air fryer oven for family. It features 25 QT capacity, 1,700 watts power, and a glass, metal, and stainless steel build. Unlike number 3, this one focuses on oven-style cooking and larger meals. You get 17 presets for air fry, bake, roast, toast, and dehydrate. The Fryforce 360 degrees convection delivers crispy results with little to no oil. The digital display allows precise control from 90 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Customers find this air fryer to be a versatile appliance with multiple cooking options, and one customer mentions it can handle everything from and dehydrating to air frying. Small downside? Some users reported that the temperature can run hotter than expected. Best for families wanting the large capacity air fryer oven. For current pricing, check links in the description. Number 1, overall best air fryer. And finally, the top spot goes to the Ninja AF141, one of the best air fryers for everyday use. It features 5 QT capacity, 1750 watts power, 400 degrees Fahrenheit max temp, and a non-stick basket. The Air Crisp technology uses superheated air for crispy results with up to 75% less fat. You get 4-in-1 functions including air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate. It handles up to 4 pounds of fries or wings, perfect for quick meals. Customers find this air fryer to be a reliable kitchen appliance that's easy to use and clean, with quick cooking times. Best for small families wanting the best air fryer for quick crispy meals. Don't forget, all the Amazon links are in the description below. I hope you found this video helpful. Next, watch this 7 air fryer cooking mistakes and how to fix them.